Welcome to Cross Transformation. It's Mariam here, and in today's video I'm going to be talking about how to handle the opinion of others about you. Well, this is a big one and most of us are challenged by it. The first step is not to react, because by reacting to other people's opinion about us, we will be experiencing the negative emotions such as resentment, anger, disappointment, and discouragement. Instead of reacting, we must learn to respond, because when we respond, we are coming from the place of who we are. We are not buying into their opinion about us, and that is very important. You see, when someone is having a negative opinion about you, it comes from their own unhealed perceptions. They are just projecting those unhealed perceptions as a negative thing onto you. By you reacting to them, you're agreeing with them, because now you're resenting their unhealed perception. Now you're angry with their unhealed stuff. So don't do that to yourself. Don't agree with them, because when you react, it means you're agreeing with them. Instead, learn to respond to other people's opinion about you by realizing that your identity is in God and it's free from their unhealed perceptions. Your job is to become the realizer of your identity. Your job is not to overcome their opinion, but to realize who you are and respond from who you are, not how you feel, because how you feel can change, but who you are doesn't change. So to do this, we must become the state of love. Everyone who loves has been born of God and knows God. So we must arrive at the state of love within and respond to other people's opinion about us from the state of love, because in the state of love we know God. We are settled. We know that our identity is in Him and no one is scratching it. They can't do it. Doesn't matter how negative they are towards you. When you're centered in love, you know God and your identity in God. So no one can get rid of you. No one can get rid of your identity. They can't damage it. So center yourself in love, and from the state of love, respond. Whoever doesn't love doesn't know God, because God is love. So if you're reacting from the place of resentment, while you're feeling resentful, you don't know that your identity is in God, because you have departed God, because you have departed the state of love. And when you don't love, you don't know God. Therefore, your identity keeps changing. Not that it changes, but it is changing because you're perceiving it through the opinion of others, and you're agreeing with them by reacting to them, by feeling resentful, by feeling angry. You are not the state of love. Instead, you are reacting. You're trying to overcome their opinion about you. You don't need to overcome anything. Jesus has done the work. We must realize that our state of being must be of love, must become love, so we can realize the presence of God in us, and from there nothing else matters, because we can realize and we can experience our freedom from within. So next time that you feel quite confronted by someone else's opinion, remind yourself, don't react. Arrive at the state of love. And from the state of love, experience the freedom from within, knowing that your identity is in God and it's not in their hands. Free yourself. Enjoy the beautiful journey of life through the realization that your identity is in God, and whatever they think doesn't matter at all. You're a child of God. You deserve to be happy. You deserve to be joyful. You deserve to arrive at the state of love within, so you can feel the presence of God in you. Beautiful day. Amen. I have moved further south. The town is called Brawley. It's beautiful, and I think it's much better than where I was before. And I keep exploring, I keep following Jesus to see what he wants me to do next. Be blessed. Have a blessed day. Enjoy the beautiful soul that you are, and allow yourself to go within, to realize the presence of God in you, to walk the walk by faith with Jesus. He's beautiful. He loves you so much. God bless you. Thank you for subscribing to the channel. If you haven't subscribed yet, make sure to subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching Cross Transformation. If you would like to book a healing session with me, make sure to click on the link in the description below. Once again, thank you, and I'll talk to you soon. God bless you.